If you're having trouble connecting to the internet on a VirtualBox virtual machine, it can be a frustrating experience. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the issue. In this guide, we'll provide a detailed, step-by-step process to help you diagnose and resolve the internet connection problem you may be experiencing on your computer. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, follow these instructions to get your internet connection back up and running smoothly on VirtualBox. We are using a Windows 11 virtual machine on our VirtualBox software. Let's get started. Detailed information contained in this video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. The website offers extensive links, references, and coding samples, making it a one-stop shop for all your automation queries. accautomation.ca. Fixing no internet communication on VirtualBox. 1. Open VirtualBox Manager by launching the VirtualBox application on your computer. 2. Identify the virtual machine on which the VirtualBox internet is not working from the left pane of the VirtualBox Manager window. 3. Click on the Settings button located in the top menu of the VirtualBox Manager window to open the settings for the selected virtual machine. 4. In the left pane of the Settings window, click on the Network option to access the network settings for the virtual machine. 5. In the attached drop-down menu, choose Bridged Adapter. This setting allows the virtual machine to connect to your network directly through the physical network adapter of your host machine. 6. Select the name of the network adapter currently in use on your host machine. To check which network adapters your PC uses, press Win+I to open Windowings. Click Network and Internet, then select Advanced Network Settings at the bottom of the page. The network adapters used by the PC are listed. This step is important as it ensures that your virtual machine uses the same network adapter your host currently uses. 7. Under Advanced in the Network Settings window, ensure the machine uses the desktop adapter type. This ensures that your virtual machine uses the same network adapter type as your host machine. 8. Also, under Advanced, ensure the promiscuous mode is set to allow all or allow VMs. This setting allows your virtual machine to receive all network traffic that passes through the physical network adapter of your host machine. 9. Under Advanced, make sure the Cable Connected option is checked. This setting ensures the virtual network cable is properly connected to the virtual machine. 10. Hit OK to save your changes and close the settings window. 11. Start your virtual machine. The VirtualBox internet connection should work properly. You can check the connection by opening a web browser on your virtual machine and visiting any website. I hope this helps you fix your Windows internet connection on VirtualBox. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer them. If you want more information about us or to get our free ebooks on numbering systems or robust data logging, please click the link below to get it. A new video is released every Monday, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can receive more videos like this in the future. Remember to hit the bell beside your subscription to receive notifications. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.